Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Pump Drain Kit part #WD35X20878. The GE Pump Drain Kit part #WD35X20878 is a replacement part for GE washing machines. It is designed to replace the pump and drain hose assembly in GE washers. The kit includes a new pump, drain hose, clamps, and instructions. The pump is designed to help remove water from the washer during the spin cycle. The drain hose is used to connect the pump to the drain line. The clamps are used to secure the hose in place. This kit is compatible with many GE washer models and can be used as a direct replacement for an existing pump and drain hose assembly. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a drain pump kit for a washing machine. It is used to replace a faulty or damaged drain pump and can help to fix issues such as the washer not draining, leaking water, or making loud noises during the drain cycle. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Turn off the water supply to the dishwasher. 3. Disconnect the water supply line from the dishwasher. 4. Remove the existing drain hose from the dishwasher and discard it. 5. Place the new drain kit on a flat surface and assemble it according to the instructions provided in the package. 6. Connect one end of the drain hose to the new pump drain kit and secure it with a clamp or zip tie, if necessary. 7. Connect the other end of the drain hose to an appropriate drainage point, such as a sink or GA. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.